Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do a review about this new Majorette 2026 gift bag. Care Bears. Don't ask me why, but I like Care Bears. And this is a very cool set. It got two exclusive models. Also very nice packaging, officially licensed. Also by Care Bears. No, don't see anything about that. And here we got the cars in the back. A Citroën, Toyota, Porsche, Toyota and a Nissan with opening parts. Nice. Yeah, we can also see Majorette is active on social media. Now let's not wait any longer. And let's open this gift bag. Got a knife right here, and I think I have to do that. No, don't have to do that. There we go. We got some information. Hey, this is interesting. Looks like they don't use those metal wires anymore. And that means that the package stays intact. Ooh, yes, thank you very much, Majorette. This is what we need because I'm also a big fan of the package. Yes, I think the package is also very cool. And with those wires, yeah, of course, you can put it back, but that takes a lot of time. And that is something we don't have. How does it work? Click. What? Let's show that again. So you press the right here and then it says click and then you can take it off. It's better to show it like this, right? Oh man, I'm very happy with that. That is so fantastic cool. Okay, let's start with this one, and this one is definitely one of my favorites from this set. I really like this casting. Yes, it comes with an opening part. Now I definitely need some Care Bear figures. Really nice. I think it's a little bit bigger than 164. Yeah, nowadays they don't put the scale on the vehicle anymore. It also got a little bit of suspension. Artwork is awesome. Very nice, very nice. Oh, also on top of the car, look at this. Yeah, I think a lot of you are saying, what is he talking about? Those are Care Bears, but Care Bears are cool. Like if you think Care Bears are cool. Okay, this is one of the exclusive models for the gift bag. Yes, a lot of these are also available loose, including this one. This one also has an opening part. Good thing about Majorette, they have a good interior, which means that a good interior nowadays is possible. So if it's possible, then just do it, just like Majorette. Plastic base, suspension, plastic wheels, good plastic wheels. Oh, now we need a Care Bear trailer. 4x4 TRD Pro. Also cool artwork with some Care Bears. Don't know the name of the Care Bears. It's not that I'm a super big fan that I have another collection with only Care Bears. My secret Care Bear collection. No. Oh, I broke one. So if you press too hard, you will break it. Bwah, bwah, bwah. This is the Porsche. Does it come with an opening part? Yes, here in the back. And we can see the air-cooled engine. I like that. Yeah, a green Care Bear here on the hood. Looks like green glass, but it might be possible that's because of the interior. No, I think it's a little bit of green glass. Green interior. Really nice. Okay, have to be careful with this one. Yeah. this is definitely a reason to buy this gift bag. This is also an exclusive, just like this one. And this is a van, and look at it. All the Care Bears are on the van. I believe these are all the Care Bears. Yeah, it's just really nice. Spectacular LSD roof. And also a nice interior with a right-hand steering. Pink lines over the rims, good combination. Oh, look at this. These are all Care Bear heads. That is really well done. Hands up for the artwork. And then the last one. Be careful. A little bit more pressure. A little bit more pressure. Ah! Okay, broke it. They have to make those things out of metal, I guess. Oh! He's not so happy. Yeah, sorry man, I broke it. I understand. But I'm very happy with this opening part. It opens not that far, but we can see some engine details. Let's switch to detail mode. Let's get a little closer. Yeah, that's really nice. Grumpy Care Bear. Suspension. Right hand steering. Would be cool if it had a Care Bear license plate, painted rear lights. If it was up to me, they can also do some deluxe Care Bear models. But yeah, I really like these models. This is my number 1 favorite, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Let me know what you think about these Care Bear models. It's now available in store. I got this one on the NAMAC biggest diecast car event in the world. What? Biggest diecast car event in the world? Yes, and I did a lot of videos over there. So go to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, everything that's possible. And also watch those very nice biggest diecast car event of the world videos. There are a lot of those. Thanks for watching and have a very nice day, and I'll see you soon with more diecast cars. Bye.